Always driving forward to me means just consistent growth. So in my role as a learning and development designer with the organizational development department, our job is basically to ensure that our employees have the tools they need to succeed in best serving our customers. So to us, always driving forward is working to meet the ever-changing needs of Virginians and really meet them where they are. And in order to have that kind of progress and that kind of growth, it's important that we provide the tools necessary to our employees to help them be confident in their jobs and to take on any new processes or programs that they might need to work with. So where we come in is we provide all of the training and resources needed to help our employees best serve our customers and their ever-changing needs.